Hi, hello, how are you all? I'm doing good. So today I'm doing a Meesho haul, huge Meesho haul. Around 20 products are there. I'll give you price by price and how's the quality, whether you can invest it or not, okay? Meesho conducting a huge sale, so up to 70% off on few products. If you are wishing to purchase any, add them to the wish list now so you can shop them easily tomorrow. Let's get started to the video now without further ado. So my first product I want to show you is earrings. These are like pretty huge earrings. If you wear it will be like little weight, not much. So this is how it will look. Okay, so I'll show you how it will be after wearing it. And the price is 160 rupees. So after wearing it, this is how it will be looking pretty good, right? Pretty heavy. First what you'll feel is it's pretty heavy, but if we wear it on a proper attire, then it will be perfect. Okay, and it is not like too heavy. We can wear it for few hours. This is how it will be looking. Nice, right? So our next product is lotus necklace. So I'll show you after opening how it will be. So if you can see, it will be like this. It will be good for some silver color dress or saris. Lotus jewelry is costing me around 171 rupees. We'll get 2 earrings like this. And next item is bangles. So this is how it will be. We'll have a Lakshmi Devi idols here. It will be in proper gold color and size is I have taken 2.6, and the side stones also, it will not look cheap. Okay, it will be good only, like a gold one. So I'll show you how it will be after wearing. This is how it will be looking. Nice, right? This costed me 392 rupees, and I'm using it from February, so till now it did not fade away. So it's looking super. It's looking too good. Okay, like this. So only 3 items for the jewelry. So I'll show you the other things now. The other product is a mobile holder and a combo. We'll get a mobile stand, 3 mobile stands and a mobile holder. This will be like this, like a soap box. It will be 2C. So we have to attach the plug to this socket, and then we have to keep it in the socket. Okay, so it will be like this, and phone also perfectly sits here, and like we can easily fit the charger point into this. And with this we'll have in a combo we'll get this phone stand also. So like 3 phone stands and stand for rupees 232 rupees. I say it's a nice deal. We can arrange it like this, how much we want. And I got this in 3 colors, like yellow, green and red, I guess. So my other product is a manicure kit. So it costed me around 294 rupees. I have got in a red color. It will be like a pretty small one, like a pouch, and we'll get a button like this. When we press, we can open it. So we'll get all these items for what are all needed for the manicure. We'll have around 16 pieces here, and it costed me 294 rupees. The other one I want to show you is glass ball set. Actually Meesho packaging will be perfect, you know, like if I have purchased a clay kadais also, so the packaging was perfect. Like thermocol sheet was given inside and outside the box, and the product came without damage and perfectly. So this one I am showing is a 3 bowl set. Let me show you how the packaging will be. I'll show you one by one. So this bowl set costed me 365 rupees. We'll get 3 different sizes here. This is 400 ml, 700 ml, 400, and the other one is 1000 ml, 1 liter. So this is how it will be looking. 3 bowl set, and this I got for 392 rupees, and the weight is also heavy and the quality is also super good. Okay, my other product is a laptop table, multi-purpose it was saying. So this is how it will be. So we'll get a like glass or a bottle holder and iPad holder here and a pen holder too. It was pretty good size, and the quality is also very strong. I thought it will be cheap because I got it for only 400 rupees. So I thought how the quality will be, but it was perfectly fine. So my next product is quilted bed sheets. It's this is how the bed sheet will look like, and this is a king size one. I'll show you the clip here. So it is like perfectly fitting the bed, and I did not wash the bed sheets what I'm showing now. So first to see it, it's very perfect, and while taking the bed sheets, what you have to see is the thread count. More the thread count, more the quality and color stability will be there. So I have taken it I think 210 the thread count for this, and another one I'll show you it. I think it's 280 thread count, and this I got this with 2 big pillow covers. So it will be like this. It will be a quilted one, and we'll get zip inside. So we'll receive zip also, and the quality is very good. As of now I did not wash it, so I don't know whether the color will fade or not. We'll get 2 big pillow covers. This is how it will look. It will be a quilted one, and we'll get 2 small pillows and with cushion also. This will be like this small, and it is also a quilted one. Like this it will be, and we'll get zip here, and this one I got for 618 rupees. We'll get 2 of them. So other one I am showing is a bed sheet only. It also king size. This one I got for much cheaper, like 280 thread count is there, and we'll get 2 pillow covers. The same bed sheet will also be with the same design. So this is how it will be, and we'll not get any zip or something here. Okay, and this costed me around 373 rupees. So this is how it is looking. I did not wash this set, so I have to check after washing whether the color will fade or not, and size is perfectly fit for the king size beds. And my another product is a jute dining table mats. So this one I got like 4 pieces are there, around 300 rupees I guess, and the quality is very nice. It was came like what has shown in the Meesho as well. the same quality I received, and it was perfect, and it was not stripping away. The quality is really good. So now we are done with the random things. Now I'll get started with the clothes. Okay, first I'll show you the saree. This is how the saree looks. I liked it because I want to take a combination of black color, so running blouse with this, and this costed me around 300 rupees. Quality is fine and it's not cheap at all. Quality is fine, and like I thought to have blouse separately, and I thought it was perfect for some professional things, or good to wear for the office also. The next one is, if you have watched my previous video, then you have seen this one. So this is a top. Okay, we'll get a short length, and some frills will be there around the waist. It will be a waist length one. So the neck design will be different for this, and we'll get a little pattern here, like a square checkered pattern, something we'll say. It will be, if you can see, like this. Okay, if you have not watched my previous video, I'll add it in the I symbol here, so you can watch it from there. This is how it will be, and it is a cotton. So I have taken this in small size, as brand to brand sizes will be different. You have to check the product description before buying it. This top I got it for 367. So I have checked it in Myntra or somewhere. It was showing around 500 rupees, but I got it for 367, and the quality is also really good. Hands will get like this, will not. It will be a different hand style will get. So I'll attach the video so you can see it here. The another one is a traditional kurta set. So like this bani print will get, and gota patti work. I guess it is some gota patti work or something. I have kept using it from long time. This is how we'll get. This is kind of jari work, I guess, and the other design you are seeing is here yellow color. That was yellow color one, not a gold color one, so it will not fade away, and I am using it for long time. The color did not fade away, and so we'll get white palazzo pant. It's like too long for me. I have to adjust it. We'll get gota patti here, and this is all a paint. So this is also strong one. It did not get faded. So this I got for 543 rupees. And the other one is modern women's dress. This also I have worn in Amazon haul. If you have not seen it, I'll give in the iCard. So this is how it will be. We'll get half hands, and we'll also get a belt also. So the length of this will be up to knees length. So I have paid it with a black kind of a palazzo pant. I have paid it, and it costed me 338 rupees, and it will be a bit different to the one shown in screenshot and what I have received, but still it's looking good on me. So I kept it, and the quality is also good, and the material is crepe. I have purchased a couple's t-shirt also. Ladies one will get with the queen, and gents one will get with the king. So the one the king one is with my hubby, and I will attach the pics here so you can see how it will be. And ladies one will get like a bodycon dress up to knees length, it will be there, and that costed me around 360 rupees. My next product is a red color frock, modern frock. It will be like this. Yeah, you might have seen it so many times from so many members. So we'll get like layered one. It will be kind of a layered one. I have a wool stitch, so we have to pair up with some dark colors, and shoulders will get like this. This is how it will be. I'll show you after wearing how it will be. It will be around down to knees, I guess. It costed me 561 rupees. Next product is a jumpsuit. So this is how we'll get it. We'll get a small flower one and ribbon kind of, and it will be elasticated here. On the back side it will be elastic, and zip will also be there. See, if you can see, we'll have a elastic here, and pant will be like, the upper layer will be kind of a flare one, and body hugging pant will have. So this costed me 517 rupees. So another one is a combo palazzo set. So I have received red, gold and green something. I'll add a picture here. So this cloth will be rayon, and we'll have a tie up here, and will not receive any pockets in this. The combo set costed me 455 rupees. Quality is nice, and fitting is also really good. Another one is a pink Angraha style top. This is how we'll receive it. And this one I have weared in my video in my YouTube channel. So this is how it will be looking. We'll have kind of buttons here, design will be there, and this is how it will be looking. It will be like around thighs length. So we'll have a pretty good flare as well. This costed me around 360 rupees. So the next one is satin night suit. This costed me around 295 rupees. This one and the next one I'll show. So we'll get a small bow here, and we'll receive elastic. It is a free size one, and it will be length of ankle length, and we need to add slit inside this. Like, it was a transparent one, so we need to add slit inside, and this costed me 295 rupees. Another one I have taken in like tiger print one. So this is how it will be looking. Same like the blue colored one. We'll have a elastic here, and a small bow will be there in the elastic area and in the neck area. We have elastic here, and this also a ankle length one. And I have purchased slits for this, like black and skin color. This costed me around 400 rupees, I guess. Cotton, and quality is also good. What I am showing you now is my first purchase on Meesho. This is how it will be, like two tops I got. You will get a small pearl kind of button here, unable to open this, and the hands will be kind of umbrella and flared hands. So this is one, and I got it in another color. We'll have a multiple combination in the side. So this will be in the other color. We'll receive pearl kind of one for here also, and a flared hands. It will be around waist length or below, I guess. This is how it will be looking. These are all the products that I have shown in this video. If you want to purchase any of them, take the screenshot of this and crop it and upload it into Meesho search box, so you can find it similar products or the same product. Download the app from my link, so you'll get 100 rupees off or 30% off on your first purchase. So select the product that you like and check the description details, and then add to the cart. So you will get like two options. If you are selling to other person, you can add the margin, and if you are purchasing for yourself, then you can add the original amount and then click on continue. You can select the payment mode, and you can do the exchange and returns within 7 days if you don't like the product. So enjoy shopping now. So that's it for my video. If you have enjoyed watching it, please give it a thumbs up, and you are watching it for the first time, then please do consider subscribing and sharing it with your friends and family members. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.